Upgrading to an induction cooktop in new home construction gives faster heat response, greater safety, and higher energy efficiency. Start by planning electrical capacity early with your electrician and builder so the circuit and service can handle the cooktop or range. Most built-in cooktops and slide-in ranges need a dedicated circuit and sometimes a 30 to 50 amp branch. Confirm exact requirements from the manufacturer and have the panel space reserved before framing. Choose between a cooktop with a separate wall oven or a slide-in range based on workflow and ventilation needs. If you choose a downdraft, verify that the manufacturer specifies suitable ducting and clearances because downdrafts require more careful installation to match airflow needs. Check countertop material and cutout dimensions now, so you do not have to modify finished surfaces later. For example, quartz and solid surface tops need precise cutouts and support for heavy glass ceramic units. Test cookware compatibility by using a small magnet on pots and pans to confirm magnetic bottoms. If many pans fail the test, plan a gradual cookware replacement strategy and budget for high-quality options that are induction-ready. Finally, add user-focused features like a child lock function and simple control layouts to the specification list so the finished kitchen is both safe and intuitive for everyday use. Common mistakes are undersizing the electrical feed, buying incompatible cookware, and neglecting proper ventilation. If the electrical feed is too small, you will experience tripped breakers and intermittent power. The fix is to upgrade the branch circuit and possibly the service panel before installation. Using non-magnetic cookware results in poor heating and frustration. Solve this by testing all essential pots with a magnet and replacing or supplementing with induction-compatible pans. Ignoring ventilation causes excess heat and odors that degrade comfort. Address this by specifying either a ducted hood or an appropriately rated downdraft that meets the cooktop manufacturer requirements. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for electrical, cabinetry, and ventilation work related to induction upgrades, and helps contractors connect with local work opportunities. We also host a community discussion area where homeowners and tradespeople exchange installation tips, product experiences, and realistic cost expectations.